Welcome friends to my new video on neutralization and titration of strong acids and bases. So in our regular lab experiments, some of us might have done this experiment. We will be titrating acid in a burette against base in a conical flask, and we will be also using an indicator dye to see the end point. So there we have to add acid and find out what is the volume required to neutralize it. The same thing what we can do manually also using mathematical equations. So how many milliliters of 0.25 molar hydrochloric acid are required to neutralize 400 ml of 0.04 molar potassium hydroxide, and what is the pH of neutralized solution? The pH of neutralized solution will be 7. So number of equivalents of hydrogen ion required is equal to number of equivalents of hydroxyl ion available. So the number of equivalents is equal to volume into normality. So here the volume will be always in liters. What is normality? That is number of moles into number of hydrogen ion donated or accepted by the base. Donated by the acid or accepted by the base. Liters into normality of acid is equal to liters into normality of base. So here 64 ml of 0.25 molar hydrochloric acid are required to neutralize 400 ml of 0.04 molar potassium hydroxide. So, subscribe my channel, share my channel, like my channel, and also put comment in the comment box. In some of the titration experiment, we will be adding solid chemicals into the diluted acid solution. Similar one question, how many liters of 0.2 normal sulfuric acid are required to neutralize exactly 10 gram of sodium hydroxide? Here you have to see that the sulfuric acid concentration is given in normality. Otherwise, if it is given in molarity, you have to multiply the molarity by 2 because sulfuric acid is donating 2 hydrogen atoms. So number of equivalents of hydrogen ion required is equal to number of equivalents of hydroxyl ion available. So here the number of moles of sodium hydroxide is 0.25. So 1.25 liters of 0.2 normal sulfuric acid is required to neutralize 10 gram of sodium hydroxide. So thank you for listening my. Please subscribe my channel, share my channel, like my channel, and also put comment in the comment box. Thank you very much.